In this video, I'll be going over what a reciprocal is. The steps to finding a reciprocal of a fraction or a number is to first you want to swap the numerator and the denominator. Then you can check if the answer is correct by multiplying by the reciprocal and see if the answer comes out to be 1. Below are 2 examples and we'll be going over each one. The first one is 5 over 7. So what we want to do is we want to swap the position, the numerator and the denominator, and that'll become 7 over 5. So 7 over 5 will be the reciprocal of 5 over 7. Now we can check the answer by taking 5 over 7 multiplied by 7 over 5, and the answer has to come out to 1 to be correct. So 5 over 7 times by 7 over 5, we can see that these will cross out and become 1. 5 and 5 will also cross out and become 1. So the answer is 1. And therefore, 7 over 5 will be the right answer. For the second example, we have a whole number of 8. And since this is not a fraction, we need to first convert it to a fraction. So 8 is equivalent to 8 over 1. Then we want to swap the numerator with the denominator and become 1 over 8. So 1 over 8 would be our answer for number 2. And we're going to go ahead and check the answer if it's done correctly. So we have 8 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 8. And we need to see if it becomes 1. So 8 and 8 are both divisible by 8, so that will equal to 1. And so 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. So therefore, the answer is 1. And that means 1 over 8 is the correct answer for example 2. So this is how you will find the reciprocal of a fraction. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. And thank you for watching.